Alright, let's face it, your boy is back with another lit banger just for you guys, man. Yes, if this is your first time here, head over, hit that red subscribe button, man, so you don't miss out on any more videos your boy may post. I go by the name JiggyDaSetter, man. We show some of the best streetwear, we show some of the best brands, and we show some of the best sneakers here on this channel, man. Yes, today's video is sponsored by Fioboc. Fioboc is definitely a good brand, you know what I'm saying? Cozy, casual. It give off all looks, you know what I'm saying? That definitely hits a spot today, you feel me? So if you like coziness, if you like casual, if you like, you know what I'm saying, good clothing pieces, Fioboc is definitely the place to be. And with that being said, man, let's hop into the video.
First thing first, let me pop my shit. Rule number one, can't trust no bitch. Rule number two, get money, get rich. Everybody hate until I suck your dick. Ballin' like a bitch, call me Kobe. Yeah, 4, 5, 6, you don't know me. Yeah, I'ma pop my shit till they show me. Yeah, I'll go two-tone rolly. Yeah.
Alright, man, yes. So, Fioboc reached out to your boy to get this collab done, man. Yes, big salute to Fioboc. Like I said, it's a good brand. The quality of their clothing pieces is A1. I am huge on coziness. Very soft, good wear, you feel me? And it's just, they brand compliments that in every aspect of it. So big salutes to them, man, for reaching out to me to get this video done. Now let's count up, man. Not that they sent me not only 3, not only 4, not only 5, not only 6, not only 7, but 8 pieces, man. As y'all can see, big salutes to Fioboc. Fioboc is one of them ones, man. Like I said, so let's go ahead and hop into this thing, man. So let's start off with this green sweatshirt. As y'all can see it, and this is the slim fit green sweatshirt. They get this one in a size large, I want to say. Let's see. Blam, let's throw that over there because we don't wear the bag, man. We don't wear the bag. We don't wear the bag. No, got this one in the extra large. So as y'all can see, Fioboc, it gives that comfort, man. This one right here is stretch material, and it's just, as y'all can see it, man, Fioboc definitely have that good branding. As y'all can see it, come on, man, tags are there. You know what I'm saying? Branding is all over the place. Does give that good branding on the tag right there as well. And this sweatshirt does have splits on the side, and it just lays perfect. It does got 2 front pockets. If you're looking to grab this one right here, no need to go up, no need to go down. Definitely go true to size. And this one right here will be perfect for you, man. And don't forget, man, their quality is like one of them brands that you could just like, you can pour ketchup on their shirt, you feel me? And you can pour water on top of the ketchup and it rolls clean off. You know what I'm saying? Got that good quality control, you feel me? So if you're looking for this sweatshirt right here, it's down in the link down below. Click that link, go cop up. It's just that plain and simple. And don't forget, there is a discount for you to use. Jiggy20, and I will be saving everyone who's watching this video 20% off. Ooh, you can't beat that. So with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. All right, so coming in next is this one is the slim fit black extra large. Let's see what it is, man. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Only thing I wish is that it had the exact names of the pieces on the clothing, but beggars can't be choosers, you feel me? So as y'all can see it, this one does have a hood, and this one gives like that good this one gives like that dry fit, you feel me? As y'all can see, this one all over black, does have a hood on it, does have branding on the side as well. As y'all can see it, come on, man, Fioboc, y'all know they're gonna put that on there every time. Just that, you feel me? Does give that dry fit material, and it does give that overdrop at the bottom. As y'all can see it, man, dope quality piece, you know what I'm saying? This one would be good to like work out, do anything you want in, man, but this one right here is a good piece. As y'all can see, it did get my size in a size extra large, and I did get it in a black colorway, you feel me? Now I went extra large on a lot of their stuff because I never wore it before, I never had it. I'm normally a large, but when it's a brand that I've never had, I try to go up in size so I won't have to send it back. I'd rather it be a little big than too small. So take notes on that, you feel me? Now with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. Coming in next, man, is some sweatpants, man. Fioboc sweatpants in the slim fit, size large, navy blue joints. Let's go ahead and pop the bag open. as y'all can see it, man. Now these pants right here is fire. Yes, as you guys can see it, Fioboc on the tag, size large. Did get this one in the size large, and it does got branding on it as well. Got the logo right there. Does give that skinny fit at the bottom. Does give zippers on the side, so you can just zip it up and lay it on your sneaker however you want to do it. Come on, man. It's easy. You know what I'm saying? If you want these pants right here, they are linked down below. There is a discount code for you and all your friends to use. Jiggy20, and that'll definitely save you 20% off at checkout. It's just that plain and simple, man. Fioboc quality A1. You're looking to grab these right here, no need to go up, no need to go down. Definitely go true to size on these. This is some comfortable sweatpants right here. I'm telling y'all know I love jogger skinny fit, and it's just that plain and simple, man. Now with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. Coming in next, man, is another Fioboc, and this one is the slim fit black, size extra large. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open, and I want to say this is the sweatpants. Yes, the sweatpants, super fire. No branding on them. Does give jogger style at the bottom, as y'all can see it, man. Does give 2 drop screens. Does give 2 side pockets, and does give 1 back pocket on these. Now I did get these in the extra large, and I could have went a large, you feel me? Does give that high pocket right here, you know what I'm saying? And it gives that so you can, like, let's just say if you want to like put your belongings in it or something like that, you can easily zip that pocket down right there and just stick that in there, and it zips clean up. Ooh, branding, quality. Fioboc is definitely the place to be. Now I really could have used a large in these pants, but it is what it is. They still fit good. I still wear them. They're still super nice. They're still super comfortable. They still comfy. I'm huge on comfort, so it's just Fioboc is definitely the place to be. If you want these right here, they're linked down below. Fioboc. There is a discount code for all you and your friends to use, Jiggy20, and I will be saving you guys 20% off when you purchase something. Now with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. Coming in next is the hoodie to match those black sweatpants. As you guys can see it, man, go ahead and unzip this bag, because y'all know we don't wear the bag. So as you can see it, man, the hoodie is just the same as the sweatpants. Super comfortable. Does give drop screens. Does give a hood. As you guys can see it. Come on, man. Quality is A1. Does give 2 front pockets on the front. Does give branding. Come on, man. Don't forget branding. Fioboc, as you guys can see it. Quality of Fioboc is through the roof. Not gonna lie. The brand is comfortable. It's durable. It's everything. You know what I'm saying? It's everything somebody is looking for in comfort. Fioboc is definitely the place to be, and it's just that plain and simple, man. If you want this hoodie right here, it will be linked down below. All you gotta do is click that link and go cop up. It's just that plain and simple. Oh yeah, don't forget, there is a discount code for you and all your friends to use, Jiggy20 at checkout, and I will be saving you guys 20% off. You know what I'm saying? We love saving on this channel. So with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. Coming in next, man, is a 3-piece set. You know what I'm saying? It's the sweatpants, the hoodie, and the crew neck. All same color, all dope, fitting, all just super comfortable, as y'all can see it. And this one colorway is the slim fit gray blue. As you guys can see it, 3 pieces. So let's go ahead and pop into the first one. First one is the sweatpants. Sweatpants, super comfortable, durable. I love these pants. I love this set. I don't know what it is, the color. I just got a lot of sneakers that matches it, but it's just one of them ones, man. Does give jogger fit at the bottom. Does give 2 drop screens. Does give good branding. Does give two side pockets, and it does give 1 back pocket. And it does, don't forget, it got that little high zipper pocket. You can just throw anything, AirPods, wallet, phone. You can throw anything in there, and it's definitely gonna suit you, you feel me? Sweatpants for the win. They will be linked down below, man. Click that link and go cop up. It's just that plain and simple. Now with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. Coming in next out of that 3-piece set is the hoodie. Yes, the hoodie. Yup, size large, extra large. Did get this in the blue colorway as well. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Just like the black one, just like normal. As y'all can see, it does got drop screens on the front. Does got that hood effect on there because it is still kind of chilly out. Does got branding. Come on, Fioboc, you know the branding is there. You know what I'm saying? Did get this one in the size large. As you guys can see it, man. 2 front pockets. Comfort, man. Comfort. I'm huge on comfort. And it's just, I love comfort, man. I don't know what it is. I'm just big on it. I love comfort. I love sweatsuits. I love anything that will give me a chill vibe on a day-to-day basis. Fioboc is definitely the place to be. Now, they do have casual. They do have outerwear. They got everything. Fioboc is definitely the place to be, man. Hit that link down below if you want to cop this. Definitely go true to size. No need to go up. No need to go down. And it's just that plain and simple, man. It's just that plain and simple. You feel me? Now, with that being said, let's hop into the next piece. All right, so coming in last but not least out of that 3-piece set is the crew neck. As you guys can see it, I am huge. I am big on crew necks, man. So with that being said, let's go ahead and pop this thing open, man. Branding is there. Fioboc, they get the size large. As you guys can see it, branding at the bottom as well. Does got 2 slits on the slide, 2 slits on the side. Does got 2 front pockets. Fioboc is definitely the place to be. Quality A1, quality control A2, quality pre-troll definitely A3. Come on, man. Quality is A1 when it comes to Fioboc. If you liked any of these pieces, there is a link down below. Click every link. Go cop up. There is a discount code for you, your friends, your friends' friends. Hey, there is a discount for everyone to use. Jiggy20 at checkout, and that will definitely save y'all 20% off. Now, with that being said, alright guys, so that is a wrap for this video, man. If you're new to the channel, head over, hit that red subscribe button, man, so you don't miss out on any more videos. Your boy may post, man. Like I said, man, we give out 2 to 3 videos a week, so the content is definitely here on the channel, man. And if you liked any of those pieces, man, make sure y'all go to the link down below. Click them links, go cop up. There is a discount code for everyone who watching this video to use. Jiggy20 at checkout. That'll save you guys 20% off your entire purchase, man. We're here to save you some bucks, man. Now, if you like this video, drop a thumbs up, man. Drop comments down below. You know what I'm saying? Those 2 steps definitely helps the algorithm on more people coming to join the family, man. We want to be one of the latest, biggest families on the tube, man. Well, y'all got to do them 2 steps for your boy. Hit that thumbs up. Drop comments down below, and I respond back to everybody, man. I don't leave nobody unread. Sizing, quality, all them type of questions, I respond back to daily on a day-to-day basis. You feel me? So with that being said, I need y'all to say this part with me. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Peace.
I hit the weed and go up like it ain't no more gravity. I think I'm losing my sanity. You losing money, I know it's a tragedy. The realest one here, yeah, I had to be. I'm tryna ball, why the fuck